Welcome, in front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'll show you all modes and features that you can find in a camera in this smartphone. So let's make the small overview. Take a look what we have here. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you how it looks in the settings. What we got here, you can change the picture size. So there's the aspect ratio basically. And as you can see, the camera application is a little bit laggy. We can activate location text, we can add watermarks to the photo, we can enable or disable shutter sound. We can also enable touch shutter, just like that. We got the self timer, we got 2 and 10 seconds. We got also the grid lines that help us to take the best photo with the better composition. And there's something called the motion photo. We got also volume key feature, so we can use it as zoom, for example. So when you switch it and then click on the volume key, it's going to zoom in, as you can see. And in the settings, you can also find the anti-flicker for 50, 60, auto, or turn it off, and we can also reset all the settings. So as you can see, that's all modes and features that you can find in this camera on the DOOGEE S96 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.